Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a stable phone and a quiet room, then set your recording app to 44. 1K Hz and 24-bit if available. Once done, mount the phone on a tripod or a stack of books about 6 to 12 inches from your guitar to capture both strings and body. Next, enable airplane mode and close background apps to prevent interruptions. Make a quick test recording of 10-15 seconds, play back through headphones, and adjust distance immediately to avoid clipping or a muffled sound. You now focus on gain staging and monitoring. Plug in headphones and use a low-latency monitoring option in your app. This prevents delay confusion. Make small gain adjustments so your loudest strums peak around -12 to -6 dB because digital clipping ruins takes. If you have an interface or clip mic, position it toward the 12th fret or the guitar's sound hole depending on brightness. Once that's set, record several short takes with a click track or basic guide. This gives options for finish by editing and exporting smartly. Open your app, trim silence, add short fades to avoid clicks, then normalize or reduce peaks to about -3 dB so headroom remains. Once done, comp your best vocal and guitar passages into one take and export a high-quality WAV plus a backup MP3. Make sure to save the raw session files with clear names and timestamps. If you hear hiss or room tone, try a gentle noise gate or re-record, moving the mic slightly farther and adding soft reflection control like a blanket behind you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.